Yesterday, you probably interacted with AI and you didn't even realize it. When your payment went through instantly, when a toll was deducted automatically, when your identity was verified. You weren't opening ChatGPT, you weren't typing prompts. This wasn't an app you launched. In the background, a model evaluated that transaction in milliseconds. For years, we've thought of AI as something that we use tools, a chatbot, a writing assistant, or a coding helper. Something that we open consciously when we need help. But in India, something deeper is happening. AI is entering infrastructure, not apps, not interfaces, systems. Take Aadhaar. It verifies identity at massive scale, billions of authentications. Originally, much of this workload was deterministic logic. Match biometric input, confirm identity. But at scale, complexity increases. Spoofing attempts duplicate biometrics. Machine learning models now detect anomalies, patterns that look statistically unusual compared to millions of previous authentications. Instead of simply yes or no validation, systems evaluate probabilities. That's AI embedded inside identity infrastructure. Now look at UPI. Every transaction triggers evaluation, not just routing money. Risk analysis happens instantly. Model evaluate amount, device fingerprint, location consistency, transaction velocity, behavior history. Essentially comparing the payment against pattern from millions of past transactions. Most transactions pass quietly. Some are paused, some are blocked. That decision isn't a person reviewing a screen, it's a model scoring probability. And when fraud becomes model driven, AI becomes the first layer of financial trust. Notice the pattern. AI isn't being added as a feature. It's been embedded in the decision layer. And when decision layers change, the outcomes change quietly. Even physical systems are shifting. Toll collection once relied on RFID tags, static hardware identifiers. Now computer vision models identify vehicle direction, number plates, vehicle characteristics, real-time validation. Hardware identifiers are slowly being replaced by machine perception. That's not just digitization, it's automation of decision making inside public systems. India built digital public rails, identity, payment, data exchange. These were foundational layers. Now, an AI decision layer sits above them, evaluating risk, detecting anomalies, optimizing outcomes. When AI becomes infrastructure, three things change. First, decisions move from people to models. Second, scale multiplies impact. Third, errors become systemic. If a chatbot makes a mistake, you retry. If infrastructure misfires, millions are affected. That raises a question. Who trains the model? Who audits performance? Who updates risk thresholds? Who defines acceptable error rates? Infrastructure demands reliability, not novelty. Governance becomes central because infrastructure shapes daily lives. India is in a unique position. Few countries operate digital infrastructure at this scale. If AI embeds deeply into Aadhaar and UPI, India doesn't just adopt AI, it operationalizes it. When AI becomes infrastructure, it becomes invisible. You don't see the model, you see the outcome. A payment approved, an authentication denied, a toll deducted. This shift is gradual. You won't see dramatic headlines every day. But when AI becomes a layer beneath the national systems, control matters more, governance matters more, reliability matters more. And India is entering this space now.